Well, this explains the $6,000 electric bill. Whoa! Alien prisoners! I cannot wait to hear Rick explain his way around this.
We weren't even supposed to be down here. If we confront him...
God, I love this! I love that this is how far you will go for him.
He might have it chained up so that it doesn't eat the planet!
Because your father's such an altruist? I once saw him briefly forget the word for human. Probably harvesting this creature's organs.
Probably racing to cure its space!
He's going to eat it!
He's protecting it!
Hello, my name is Blimblam the Corblock. I'm a murderer that eats babies. I am also carrying a highly infectious disease, and Rick did chain me up so that he could attempt to cure it. At the same time, Rick's motivation to cure my disease was not to save my life or anyone else's, but to patent and sell the cure for billions of Blemflar. And do you know why I'm never coming back to this planet? Because the two of you are the worst. You both hate yourselves and each other.